guys, it's me Janelle. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing a wintry blue sort of makeup tutorial. And before I say anything else, I just want to say this video is inspired by the lovely Roxette Arisa. I'll make sure to link her video in the card right over there, and I'll try to find like a picture, like if she posted one on Instagram with the makeup look, I'll try to insert that here. But yeah, I have recently been obsessed with Roxette. Her videos are so amazing. So I saw this video and I really wanted to recreate it because I did have the palette that she used. So yeah, her look definitely turned out 100 times better than mine's gonna be. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. To start off, I already put this Nivea cream all over my face. Now honestly, I'm not sure if you're supposed to use this for your face or if it's just like a hand cream, but I've seen people use it on their face before, so I decided to, and it takes a little while to like set because it's very like oily. So I just put it on like 10 minutes ago. Roxette had like a separate under eye primer, so I wanted to use one too. So all I have is this Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. So I'm going to be putting this on under my eyes. I've never tried this before, so I gotta put on my cat ears here. Okay, so I put my hair up into a very like sloppy and messy ponytail, so ignore that. But like I was saying, I have never used this primer before, and I've never even used like a separate under eye primer before, so I'm excited to test out. Oh my god, that's way too much. Also, I'm just gonna put on this EOS Shimmer Lip Balm just to hydrate my lips because I am going to be putting on like a very drying lipstick at the end. To prime my eyelids, I'm just going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand. As you can see, it's like very beat up and worn off, but I accidentally got the wrong color, or not accidentally, but they did not have my shade when I bought this, and so I had to get like a darker shade, and this is way too dark for my under eyes, so I don't want to put it to waste, so I just use it as an eye primer. I'm also going to be using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I'm just going to prime my skin before I do my eyes just so that, oops, that's a lot. Just so that I like have, oh, that's way too much, crap. Just so that I have, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Just so it has time to like set. Okay, yeah, there we go. Those were words. What Roxette did was take some tape and put that like on her eye to create like a wing sort of effect. I've done that. I've done this before. I don't think ever in a video. So for this look, the palette that Roxette used was the Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach palette. So I'm going to be using that. Here is what it looks like. I did like a full video on this palette, like reviewing it and like testing like if it does smell and like all those things. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. So first, Roxette started off with this shade Sorbet and put that in her crease. So she actually put the tape on her eye like after she put this in her crease, but I didn't know that. So I ended up redoing the tape because it just wasn't like in the right spot that I wanted it to be, and it like wasn't sticking as well. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking the shade Sandy right down here, and then using Sandy and also Sorbet that I used at the beginning just to kind of start making a winged effect. So I'm just going to make it look like a wing, kind of. I don't know. So next, Roxette takes like a shimmer shade and puts it like in the inner corner of her eye. I don't have the exact one she has. So this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to be using this second shade. Oops. I'm just going to be using this second shade in the palette right here. And I'm just going to be placing that on my inner corner. Not like inner corner, but just like more towards like the inner half of my eye. But Roxette did a certain step where she used the Jaclyn Hill palette and she put this third shade like in the wing to sort of smoke it out. And I did that and I didn't like how it looked, and so I just kind of tried to blend it away, but didn't work too well, but I just didn't apply as much as she did. So now she takes a blue eyeliner, and I do not have the one she used, but I do have a blue eyeliner. So this is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. I'm not sure what shade this is. I don't really think it says. I think it had like a sticker on it, but I took it off. So yeah, it's just the blue one. This is pretty sparkly. So now you are just going to go in and create a wing with this. Fun. But yeah, I actually really love these colors, like the orange and blue. Now she takes the Kylie palette again and it takes that blue shade right here. So her look turned out a lot darker than mine's gonna be because her like winged liner was darker, but I don't have a darker one. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and then you're just gonna kind of like smoke out the liner. Now you can just take off the tape, and I'm actually really scared. Okay. They're not even, but it's not too bad. But I think with mascara, it'll look a lot better. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers do a video where they just show the eye look and then they skip the face because it's basically the same. So I decided that I was going to do that for this video because my face was not inspired by Roxette. It was mostly just the eyes and then the lips and then one other thing that I'll show you guys in a minute. So I decided to just focus it on the things that I took from her video. So I have tons of other tutorials where I do a full face, so I will link some of those videos in the card. But yeah, I just wanted to focus on things that I got from her. So one more thing that I got from her was putting on a liquid highlighter under the like powder highlighter. She said she did this just to like amp up her look, so I wanted to try it as well. And now we're going to move on to the mascara and the lips because that is also inspired by Roxette. I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes. I really need to get a new eyelash curler. I'm going to buy one soon. So I don't know if I've said this in a YouTube video, but I'm challenging myself to not buy makeup in the month of January because with all my paychecks, I literally just spend in the day I get them on makeup, which is like really, really bad. I mean, like, I'm saving some money, but that's like a whole nother story. I'm challenging myself not to buy makeup, and I really need to buy an eyelash curler, but my sister was like, no, that's cheating. So, yeah. Now, Roxette used the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I'm not really sure if I pronounced that right, but I got this as a little sample in a, like, sampler kit from Sephora, so I'm going to be testing this out. I've never tried this before, so I'm really excited to see how it works. Okay. Already, this is like amazing. Like, I can just tell I'm gonna love this. I saw a lot of people talk about this mascara in their 2017 favorites videos, and I had it. I just hadn't gotten the chance to use it. So I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh yeah, that completely just tied the whole look together. To finish off the look, Roxette used a very like neutral, like beigey tone, I guess, lipstick. So the closest thing I had to that was the Kylie lip kit in the shade Malibu, so I'm just going to apply this. I wanted the lippy to have a little bit more of like a peach sort of tone, so I took Dirty Peach from Kylie Cosmetics also, and I just applied that before it dried because these things do dry down really quick. And yeah, I'm just going to take out my ponytail and let's see the final result. I've also really been into like the glossy lip look lately. I just took this Icing Plumping Lip Gloss. It's like a purple shade, but it really is just clear. Like, it just looks like that in the tube. And I got this at Claire's, and it's actually really nice. I don't really know if it plumps my lips, but it does give them like that minty feeling that you get like with a lip plumper. And I don't know. Don't really know if it does anything, but I just like the way my lips look. This is definitely something like out of my comfort zone. I've never done any look like this before, and I really love how it turned out. It's not too wintry though. Hers looked a lot more wintry than mine. I think this is more of a summer look, to be honest, but I really like it. So I have a giveaway going on right now for the Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette. Don't worry, this is mine. Not going to give away one I'm opening. So yeah, here's what it looks like. Make sure you guys go enter that giveaway. It will be the first link in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye! Whoa, yeah. I'll admit I was wrong.
What else can I say, girl? Can't you play my head and not my heart?